Mining is the extraction of valuable geological materials from the Earth and other astronomical objects.
In Bhutan, the Geological Survey of India GSI, Bhutan Unit, commenced the geological investigation of mineral deposits in the year 1962. Since then, minerals such as gypsum, limestone, marble, coal, graphite, dolomite, iron ore, slate, calcite, copper, tungsten, granite, lead, zinc, soapstone, etc. were explored and mapped.
In fact, mining in Bhutan started when Dapthopthang Thongai Elpo visited Bhutan, smelted iron ore and produced iron chains, which even today are rust-free.
But the modern mining with lease system began in the year 1979.
Minerals in Bhutan must be mined in a scientific manner so that rupee and unemployment problems can be solved. If minerals are not mined today, tomorrow it may be a matter of remorse for us. It is quite unfortunate that we are buying the same sand and aggregates from India by paying exorbitant price. Concretes made from aggregate, sand and cement can produce joinery products for buildings and reduce the use of timbers.
If miners cooperate, regulatory authorities monitor, and politicians and public support, then mining will thrive in Bhutan without any rumble.
Now, let's talk about a few more things about the top 5 minerals by production in Bhutan. Number 1. Dolomite. Dolomite is an anhydrous carbonate mineral composed of calcium magnesium carbonate.
Bhutan dolomite is basically an important component of iron and steel industries in India and mostly found in southern part of Bhutan within sedimentary carbonate bed. The Department of Geology and Mine DGM estimates that the mine has around 592 minimum metric tons, which at the current rate of extraction would last 197 years. Number 2. Construction materials. Number 3. Limestone. Number 4. Gypsum. Number 5. Calcite.
Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something about mining in Bhutan, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about world with me.
Until then, see you next time and take care of your health.